I like that it's tied into the actual program. So when
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Moto and I have my real time render preview and V-Ray, like it's all linked together.
Yeah.
So as I'm making creative decisions and moving lights around, it's giving me instant feedback. So, that part I love about it. I mean, that's the whole reason I added it, to my arsenal, my process and my pipeline. But, and then obviously the light painting and clicking on the object, I think that's what everyone loves about it. It's very easy to sort of start placing lights. And then once you get it in an area, you can tweak it. I like the instant, able to rotate and widen and change the width and heights of lights like pretty quickly and easily with sliders. It's a little more intuitive than grabbing handles and doing it that way. So I'd say for sure those are probably the key reasons that I even added it to my toolbox.